How to change screen resolution in your Windows. Hello and welcome back to our channel, everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide, a very quick and clean guide. Works for Windows 10 and 11, so you can just go over and follow up these settings for that. So we can change, so from our settings directly, we can right click on an empty area of the desktop and look out for display settings and go ahead and open it up. And from there, we can directly look out for scale and layout section. And under display resolution here, we can click on this drop down option and select the resolution that we want. So we have these, it depends upon our desktop. And we can just go over and look out for the resolution that we prefer and select the resolution that you want and recommended is best. And you can keep up the changes and your screen should adjust instantly. If not this, we can head over to our settings as well. Windows plus I for that. Go to System. After that, go to Display. And again, go to Display Resolutions here under Scale and Layout and choose the one that you prefer and keep the changes. For multiple monitors, you can again open up your display settings here. And once you open up your display settings, you can click on the monitor that you want. We have multiple displays. You can look out for those and go ahead and set the resolution for that monitor only. And if your resolution option is missing, you can update your display adapter. Press Windows plus X and go to Device Manager, hit Enter, and there expand your display adapters. Go ahead and expand it up. And once you expand your display adapter, you can right click on your graphics card and select update driver and search automatically for drivers and update your driver on your device. And that's it, everybody. These are the methods you can follow up to change the resolution on your Windows screen. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.